Welcome to my channel. My name is Versa. I'm here to teach you how to download YouTube for free. Step 1. Open any browser. Step 2. Search for Viddly. Viddly offers the fastest way to save YouTube videos up to 8K quality in a wide range of formats, such as MP4, MP3, AAC, 3GP, WEBM and more, for free. Click Download. If download does not start automatically, click the link. Wait for you download, and open when done to start the installation. I recently installed the app, so you can see that it asked me to close it when installing. Just click Next and follow the video. After installing, run the application. Now in your browser, type youtube.com and search for the video you want to download. Open the video and don't wait for the ad. Click the share button and copy the link provided. Now go back to the app. You can see that the link you copied is automatically captured by the application. You can choose the format you want to download, and also the quality. Just click the download button to start downloading. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe.
Wanna let you